Alright, welcome back. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We are fixing the kids' Seesaw, little teeter-totter. So originally this mounted to a swing, like a swing set on this end, but it broke off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it so it stands alone. We're gonna add a vertical and a horizontal. Try to make that work. So here we go. We're gonna, first off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this off here, and then we're gonna weld this on. Well, we'll get our heights right and everything. Weld that on, weld one across the bottom. So should be pretty simple. Okay. I got the end cut off here. I ground it back a little bit so I can get a decent weld in there. Now we got to get our length. So I'm just gonna layer down. Where'd my square go? It's over here. It's over here. All right. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna take measuring device here. We're gonna come off the top of this over here, and I've got 16. Good enough for what I'm doing. 16. Length of that one 16, so gotta cut that one an inch and how big is this stuff? We're gonna go an inch shy of 16. This is about an inch and crap. All right, that's an inch and a quarter, so we're gonna go an inch and a quarter shy of 16. So get those cut and start tacking this thing together. Got her all cut to length. That cleaned up, that cleaned up. Now we're gonna kind of eyeball this straight and tack it on there. So set it on here, roughly go to the top right there. I'm gonna eyeball right there. There we go. Good tap. It's close. That's pretty close. We'll get a couple more tacks on here. All right, we're tacked. And one more through line. That ain't going nowhere. All right. Now, let's go ahead and tack this horizontal here. See, tape measure, measuring device. Let's get this thing, move you guys over here so you can see. Yeah, there we go. Let's get this thing centered. I've got 13 and a half. I've got 12. 12 and a half. 13. I've got 13, 12 and 3/4. I've got 13 or 12 and 7/8. 12 and 7/8. Stick a tack in her right there. Okay, so we got it tacked together. I may actually test it, have the kids test it before, actually, I'm gonna have the kids test it before they try this. All right, brought the kids in here to test it out, and it worked. So I went ahead and burned it in fully, there. I'm gonna cap that, and cap that, and throw a coat of paint on it and call this project done. So let's get those things capped. I'm using just a little bit of scrap, using a little piece of scrap metal. I'm just gonna cut it, weld the cap in there, and then grind it so it looks good. So, all right, we got her all painted up, and kids are using it. So I would say that's a success. So thanks for watching. We're doing other shenanigans. Yeah, that'll be another video.